Let me be right by your side, cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am bringing you another 3 DIYs from the Dollar Tree. So if you want to see what I made, just keep on watching, and if you guys are new here, please remember to subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, and leave me a comment below, share, do all that good stuff. So my first project will just be like, I guess I could call it like potted plants, and I just pretty much just painted it all white. And this is actually from the Dollar Tree as well. Well, everything's gonna be from the Dollar Tree, but mostly everything. But I thought this was like a pretty cute idea, and you guys will see what I am trying to make. And it's just pretty much super simple. It's just a potted plant, and anyways, you guys will see how it turns out. So I wanted to give it a more rustic look, so I took this sandpaper and just pretty much started sanding it down. It does look like I am doing completely nothing, but I promise you guys it does work, and it did leave like a little rustic feel to it, I promise. So guys, I wanted to do like a Ray Dunn font, so I really thought that I could freehand the actual words, but honestly it did not come out as well as I thought it was in my head, but it still came out pretty cute. So I ended up just writing plant, seed, and grow in the Ray Dunn wannabe type font on these potted plants. And I actually don't show you guys this, however, there it was just a little bit too light, so I ended up going over it with a black marker. Life is a winding road. So there you go. That's how I did my handwriting. Like I said, it was not the best, but I did what I had to do with what I was envisioning. But anyways, guys, I ended up taking apart this floral arrangement that I did for Christmas and just used the foam just to put it inside the pot, so give it a little rise for this little greenery. So it kind of looks like I seeded the pot, and that is why it's called seed. And then with the plant, you'll see here that I ended up using some leaves, and for the grow I put the leaves and the flower, so it's like I seeded the pot, and then the plant grew, just the greenery, and then the grow came out with all the flowers. So I thought this was pretty cute, honestly, and I hope you guys like this project. Yeah, guys, I am actually pretty satisfied how this turned out. Like I stated, I did blacken the seed plant grow font with a black marker so it could stand out more. But we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. And this is how they turned out. These are my Dollar Tree potted plants. Okay, so my next project is pretty simple. It's just a floral DIY. I used this little container. As you could tell, it did say thankful, and it was from the Dollar Tree just for $1. And what I did was brushed off some gray paint on it, and then I sanded it off just to give it more of a rustic look. Originally, I wanted to put like a word saying like flowers or fresh flowers. However, my little stencil that I purchased didn't come out as I thought it would, so I ended up just not doing it and just did this simple floral arrangement. It is pretty small, but if you guys know and seen my cleaning videos, that my table is pretty small, so I needed to make a small little flower arrangement. And you can see here I am taking some more of this foam from the Dollar Tree as well, and I just hot glue it down. That way it's more stable when I just put all the florals on it. And this is when all the fun starts. I just pretty much just arranged all these flowers just to make it look nice and pretty. Now these flowers were from Michael's, and I did get it last year for spring in the $5 grab box. So I pretty much got a bunch of flowers in that box for just $5, which if you guys haven't seen that video, I will have it in the iCards above, or just go through my channel and you guys will see the Michael's grab bag. So you can use Dollar Tree flowers, of course, but since I already had this from last year, I decided just to use it. That way I don't need to spend any more money. And you can just see me here just rearranging everything to make it look nice and pretty. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that. So my third and final project is the infamous tier tray, and this is just super simple, and I ended up using these round circular pie pans and just painted it gray. As you can see here, I did 2 coats, so you have to wait like an hour or so between the coats. I know it's chalk paint, but I just wanted to make sure that it was super dry, because eventually I am just going to brush on some of the white to make it look more rustic-y, and I am also going to sandpaper it down. I'm going to sand it down so it could give it more of a rustic look. The trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit. So this glass little container was also from the Dollar Tree. I used it on a previous DIY that it was not as stable as this one, so I ended up using some E6000 and some hot glue just to make it more secure, because my other tier tray was not as sturdy because I did not have E6000. So that's what I used. I used E6000 and some hot glue gun so it could be more stable. And then that's pretty much it for this tier tray, and you guys will see it how it's nicely decorated. So honestly guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some inspirations of your next DIYs. And like I said it before, if you guys are new here, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.